that would be what the fuel's sitting in. Now, we have to attack the fuel because last time I filled these tanks with fuel was over a decade ago. Some bologna sauce. What did that man just say? Should just be some bologna sauce. Ooh. Okay. Oh, embarrassing. Oh, I'm sorry, it's embarrassing. I don't know, there's some comedy in it. What does this even do? Nobody knows. Becky! Begin the process. There are 8 bolts, and then the actual boob tubes right there. Some electrical in the back I can't forget about, and then the bed should attempt to lift off and break in half due to rust. Wiring to the back should just be some bologna sauce. What did that man just say? Should just be some bologna sauce. Man, that looks bad in that tube. Interesting concept. Anyone ever taken this apart before? D, I need your help. Come assist. Yeah, it just pops right in. That's what I thought. Had to be sure. Where's my zip tie? On my rubber stringing. Told you guys about. Rubber stringing. It's important. I got a bunch of electrical tape covering this. I have a feeling that we're gonna get to go through the wiring on this bad boy too. That is not pretty. Ooh. We're gonna enter the light. Let's enter it up from here. Oh man. How embarrassing. I would like to point out that there are different types of screws holding this in the varieties. Oh, I think that just broke. Both flathead and Phillips. I mean, I want to change these out long term anyway with the LEDs. And I feel like you want like a back seat to this and an off to the side show. Okay, but like not directly behind me, or it's not going to be PG for you. I know what you're thinking. Don't I have that buzz? I'm not silent because it scared me. I feel like I've seen more rust. We gotta clean out quite a bit here. Air does wonders on everything. The lock's on the top, just like I thought. Why wouldn't you flip that around? when installing this, so when I go back together, so if I just rip them out, the lock is exactly what I thought it was, and they put it on the top. Oh, embarrassing. What's that air sound? Oh, driving you guys nuts, right? This way you guys can focus on silence and the struggle. It's gonna be like a dual action whole funnel thing here. One light at a time, people. I repeat, one light at a time. Single file. Oh man. Oh. Oh. Holy. Oh. Okay. I consider that progress. Yeah, it just ties right into the main harness here. We got one more till we are free. Oh, I'm sorry, it's embarrassing. I do want you, I promise. I don't want to sound like an asshole, but I just broke one because I didn't care. I need to clear my harness. Single file lights, single file. Tasted bad. We are going to set this up on another cross brace here for the back spare. You guys want a beer? Thank you for coming. I'm so glad somebody could be here to do this with me. So I don't have to experience it alone. Let's check our situation here, people. Yeah. Oh, this one's got 3 flatheads and 1 Phillips. Sorry again. I'm not left-handed. I don't think you need to see my booty. It ain't pretty, and I don't really have one. Ah! Ooh, that's a good one. No, I'd like you. Please come back. We are going to be cleaning these holes before we go back together. Well, honestly, when I have this box up in the air, away from everything, I kind of want to get underneath it and do some thorough cleaning without anything in the way under it. Oh, yeah, it's my 1 Phillips. Now, some of you guys know what I'm talking about. Most you don't, because I don't even know what I'm talking about, so that's okay. I'm really glad they're all different lengths, just in case I get confused. Oh, she's gonna break off. She's gonna break, boys. Nope, she didn't break. Somebody out there's probably thinking, why does he think he has to take these apart in order to get them out? Like, you don't have to do that, bro. And I'll be like, I didn't know. I did not know. We don't know. I hate buggers. Oh, yeah. Oh. Okay. Oh. See the inside of my fenders and stuff? I don't even want to look that close there for right now. No worries. We are going to do this, guys. I am getting pumped. The energy in the room is not the same in my head as it is. Yeah, 14 minutes. Who would watch this for 14 minutes? Ooh. Ooh. That ain't bad. Alright. I'm feeling good. We're removing stuff. Just ripping stuff off this ride, yo. All this needs clean. Who's gonna clean it? Raise your hand. Somebody's gotta clean it. Not gonna be me. I gotta snap my fingers. Mainly what I'm looking at, I'm just gonna be honest with you, I'm trying to find if the body is worth it, if the rust has taken over. Alright. One at a time, single file. Don't break. Don't break. You didn't go single file. You can't outrun your buddy. I'm watching you guys. You're like 3-year-old kids. Oh, it's dusty and dirty and it's like Christmas chandeliers. If you guys really care about this, come on down. Come on down. Get yourself a view. Don't know what you can see. What? It's dirty down here. Ah! Oh. I just screamed? If I got hit in the face by a light? Yes. And it must unattach itself. Okay, same thing. Go up over here. Everything else is not attached. Let us do a victory dance for the rear electric out the way. The bolt back here is only pretty. I sprayed these bolts. So there's 2 back here and there'll be 2 up there. Not only is it a 4-inch lift, it's a block. Blah! Look at that. That's what's shiny though. 14 bolts. I don't know how to count. It's probably a 10 bolt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Heck yeah. Heck yeah, brother. Still, might be a fake 14. Nobody knows. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and find out that all of the bed bolts, their own size and pain in the butt. Could probably use a drill on them. Rat tat 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 tat. If you're tracking me. Is anyone tracking me? Anyone know what I mean? The only thing I got that'll fit in this professional shop Air 90, which isn't probably gonna have the giggles that we need, but there we go. I think I fell off of it. No, as I suspected, I'm gonna need a deep socket and a lot of muscle. I got this trusty guy here. This trusty banana hammer. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alrighty. Okay, I'll be right back. GoPro stop capture. Oh, come on now. GoPro stop. So what we got here is just a bigger drive altogether. Try on it. Wow! Told you guys I wasn't that strong. Oh, see, now this one is coming right off. Guys, that one wasn't even tight at all. Guys, that's not good. Whoa, what we gonna do? We don't have a lot of options down here. If I can't power through this, I'm gonna be hurting the unit. Got it. Same thing over here. Just have this bolt all jacked up. Wow! That hurt. On a scale from 1 to really bad. Spider webs all over this thing, guys. Everywhere. Everywhere I go. The boys want to know. So, is that a thing? I'm just asking. I'm asking for a friend. You guys are really a bunch of friends for sticking in on all this. I feel we're getting closer because of it. You know? On a serious note. I feel like maybe we could be really good friends later on down the road. Heck, it's my baby, but maybe after we fix it together, one of you crazies wants to offer a ridiculous amount of money for it, then maybe I'll sell it to you. And I do mean ridiculous, because last time I checked, this is a square body. This is my baby. It's my first. It's my high school love. What's that? How she's still treating me? You just gotta give them a why me the zoobies, and then things go away. I do believe. I do believe. You believe. He. Who. See what I mean? POV, right? You guys don't need to be part of that, but you do need to be a part of me coming over here. Try not to forget this guy, which is 1 Phillips, 2 flat heads. Hey, try not to look at my cancer. Stuff's bad. I partially blame the paint job. This is a big project, and I don't want to hide any of it. It's got some pretty big issues, and one of them's its operator. What do you guys say we go back under? Thank you for these pressing times. I feel like having somebody here with me to visit with makes it all easier. Oh. Oh. Oh, she just blew the doors off that bad boy. Woo-wee. She's a tight one. Becky! Okay, now we got the other side. Watch out. She's gonna pop. She's not happy. She's spinning. Guys, we have to push it from the top. Let's grab this big beefy boy right here. Try to do a sit-up in here and prepare for carnage. Hook a foot. Grab a hook a stick a hoodah. Nothing's working here. I'm not that strong. Ah! That's why you wear gloves. I've punched so much metal at this point. If I wasn't wearing gloves right now, I'd be a hurting unit. Now this final one though, we're gonna have to push it from above. Push it back down in the hole. Set something on it. You know what? I just came up here and looked. There's a good possibility that that bolt has killed the rust in the bed. So they have a square head and they sit in the bed. Oh, that's embarrassing. This one took advantage of a weak bed. It's unfortunate for me. I've got anger issues. Now I'm mad. What are we gonna do?
Alright, I did some goofy stuff up there.
That's what I did. Took out the bed portion that is square.
Alright.
I dug and dug and dug and I found a cheap, very, very cheap, tiny, pathetic set of vice grip, which I barely managed to get on there, which most likely will fail. Let's ride. When something is barely on there and barely working, one must challenge. There you go, boys. Woo! I didn't want to say I told you so, but looks like I got it done. Let me show you guys. There you blow hard right there. There she blows. Supposed to look like that. Not like that. Like that. I might have stretched them all out. Broke them. Broke them in the first use. They are a little crooked now. You know what else is crooked? I bet you can't guess. Bet you can't guess what else is crooked. Guaranteed to pump you up. Hey, am I mooning you? I am sorry if I have gone too far. Oh Lord, please do forgive me. That was far too much for my viewers.
That's good.
Okay, and you know, give us a like. We're not even gonna, if you liked it or not. No, just click like and woo, boost us till our next video. All right, see you then.
Love you. Bye.
GoPro stop capture. GoPro stop capture, bitch.
In conclusion, children. In conclusion, children.
All right, you guys.
Anyway, I
fix
showed
that.
you how to do it.
Okay, yep. Not the way you were flattening
was I
the.
supposed to be watching?